Hello, I'm Colleen from LabAroma's. Thank you for watching my YouTube video today. Today I'm going to show you how to make an anti-anxiety diffuser blend using 4 essential oils. Now what I want to do in this blend is give you the confidence and the knowledge to make your own diffuser blend for anxious times. And anxiety can come in lots of different forms for us all. A lot of people will say to me that when they get anxious, it really quickly is followed by a headache, and that's really, really stressful. So not only are you anxious, all of a sudden you're stressed because you have a headache. So the best essential oils, in my experience, to use for those anxiety-driven headaches is lavender, surprise, surprise, wintergreen, peppermint, and Chamomile, okay? Now what I want to do is use a small diffuser. So if this is you and you're having those anxiety headaches, chances are you're having them during the day. Now, if your headaches are coming at night or your anxiety sets in at night, if you check our other videos, you'll see other anti-anxiety recipes using beautiful essential oils in diffusers that can help you tackle that situation. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel so you never miss any of our anti-anxiety or other recipes. We do recipes on lots and lots of day-to-day things that we all can do with some help with. So back to anxiety and our headaches. So I'm going to use wintergreen, and wintergreen essential oil is not one you probably have in your kit. So if you don't, just leave me a comment and I will give you some substitution ideas. Wintergreen is one of those essential oils that people can be quite afraid of, and mostly because it contains one particular phytochemical, a chemical compound that is very powerful. And that's a good thing and a bad thing. It means that you need to be very careful from a safety point of view when using wintergreen, but it's incredibly powerful and incredibly therapeutic when used in the right way. So we're going to use 5 drops of it first. Now my diffuser is my smaller diffuser. I literally take the top off, fill it up with water to the max line, and you can use a clay diffuser or any kind of diffuser you have. I'm going to use this in my office, which is a smaller room, so I want a smaller diffuser, okay? Now, 5 drops of wintergreen is in first. I'm going to use 20 drops in total for this blend. And you can play with how many drops you want or how many drops work for you. But 20 drops in my diffuser is going to be fine. So there's 5 wintergreen. It smells powerful. Like it smells like it's going to really tackle that headache, especially if it's a tension headache, which can be really hard to tackle and, remove. Slide them on. You don't want that headache. Lavender. When it comes to anxiety, I lean on lavender quite a lot, and I find it very supportive for any anxiety or any symptom of anxiety. And again, 5 drops. Okay? Peppermint. Guys, peppermint is so good for a few things. Headaches, nausea, restless leg syndrome, lots and lots of things. But in this case, it helps to lift a headache. It gives you that fresh menthol alleviation, so you can just lift out of that stress and tension. Peppermint's beautiful. It also smells divine. This blend of 4 essential oils is one of my favorite aromas. It's one of my favorite aromatic synergies. It's gorgeous. So 5 Chamaemelum. That comes out really quick. So Chamaemelum's lovely, and it's not one I would diffuse on its own. It's not a smell that I'm crazy about, actually. It's okay. I'm not mad about it. But when it's combined with wintergreen, lavender and peppermint, this is beautiful. So 5 drops of each, easy to remember. Lid back on my diffuser, turn it on and let it diffuse through the air in the room you sit in. I tend not to diffuse this for any more than about 20 minutes, okay? The wintergreen's very strong and the peppermint's very uplifting because of the menthol. So I tend to diffuse it for about 20 minutes in a smaller room that I'm in. And the sooner you can diffuse this when you feel that headache starting to kick in, the better, okay? Try it. Let me know if you need some substitution suggestions. If you try it and it worked, let me know. If you try it and it didn't, let me know, and we can offer some alternative suggestions. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss one of my videos again. And have a great day.